Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 29 for Vlogmas here on my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking all about what I got for Christmas and my birthday. So let's first talk about what I got for Christmas. Now this first thing is I got a tweezers. This one is from Revlon. I've been needing a new tweezers and I absolutely love this one. This one is sparkly. It's so pretty. I love it. Next thing that I got for Christmas was some under eye patches. These are the Dermarea, I think they're called. I have no idea. I love these. These are gold under eye patches, or the color is gold. They're so pretty. I love them. And then I also got a bonnet. I love this bonnet. I didn't know that I was going to get the silky one. For a silky one, I knew that I was going to get a bonnet, but I didn't know which type of bonnet I was going to get. It's so nice. I haven't used it yet, but I'm definitely going to start using it. For when I do like my showers, when I'm not washing my hair, I'm going to put my hair into this. And for when I do my heatless curls as well, when I sleep with my heatless curls, I'm going to put my hair in this as well. So I've been wanting a new iPad for Christmas, and I finally got a new iPad. First, I got the Apple Pencil Pro to go along with the iPad, and I love it. It is so nice. For the iPad, I got the iPad Air in the 13th inch. So nice. And I also got this, it's in blue. And I also got this purple case from, I think it was also from Apple, I'm not sure. And I have been loving it so much. I'm going to start using it as like a monitor for my YouTube videos, planning, for everything. I love this iPad. Okay, that was everything that I got for Christmas. Now let's move into what I got for my birthday. Kind of going along with the iPad theme, I wanted a stand and something that I can travel with for the iPad. So this is all dirty now on the bottom. This is an iPad stand, or iPad pillow stand really, that you can, like, this Velcro's here to make, and then you can just like button it on the front here. I'm trying to. And I'm not sure how to store it yet, but I think you can put it, the iPad just kind of fits through here. I'm not sure yet. I have to read the instructions. But so when you have like room here to store stuff and you have room to store the pencil, it's so nice. And I love the color. The color is really pretty. This next thing I was so excited about. So I love the show Emily in Paris on Netflix. And at Bath & Body Works, they had a Emily in Paris scented candle. It is so nice. I love it. I don't know what the smell is or if it even says anything on here. Yeah, it doesn't say what the smell is. I love the smell, and I haven't even burned it yet, but I'm going to soon. Okay, next is something that I was so excited about, but I didn't definitely want to try. The Dry Bar heated rollers. I have it all in the little carry case right now. I'm trying to open it and show you. So it has the rollers in here, and then all the clips are back here in this little pouch. I love it. This is how I'm going to store the rollers, and if I'm going to travel with them, I'm also going to be using this case for it as well. But I'm probably not going to travel with these, but I just want to keep them in this case just to preserve space in my bathroom where I store all my hair curling tools. And things that came with the Dry Bar set or rollers is this Dry Bar Hot Toddy heat protectant mist, and then two smaller travel size ones. This is the flexible hold hairspray from Dry Bar and the finishing spray. Okay. Next, this thing I was super excited about that I got for Christmas. I knew I was going to get this, and this is like the coolest little thing ever. I am not going to do a full demo on this device yet in this video. I'm going to be doing a separate video for this device. So this is the Medicube HR Booster Pro. This is the pink version. I love the little bear app that it comes with. It's so cute. So this is the device. Like I said, I'm not going to go into depth of this device because I'm going to have a separate video for this. So yeah, and it also came with a little case. I did get 2 little free sample size of the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream and the Medicube Collagen Wrapping Mask. And then also for free, I got tons of sheet masks, which I'm so excited to use. I've already used one. They have 2 of each of the masks. I'm so excited to start using them. They're gonna be so much fun. So that was it for what I got for Christmas and my birthday. See you guys tomorrow for day 30. Bye!